been long since I last spoke to you, and it's just because I joined boarding school. And when I was in boarding, I was thinking about making a video, making something more interesting, and I just came up with this whole idea. It's big and it's more educational. So let's get into this. Skittish. As you know, I badly really want to become a flying doctor, and I know I'll make it. So today we're going to revise the exam that I did this year of science, and it will be more interesting doing it with you. So I've decided to do that with you. So what are we going to do? I'm going to read the questions, and after reading the questions, I'm going to give you time to think. Then you're going to answer it together, and then you're going to know if it is wrong or if it is right. Then maybe searching in the internet or just looking it in my books. So that's it. Let's uncover it. Let's see. So the main goal is I ask you a question, I give you 5 seconds to answer. Then after answering, I give you the correct answer. For every question, we will be doing like this. Now let's get back to the video. So question number 1, it says, grade 9 learners were doing some experiments in a laboratory. They used a variety of apparatus and instruments. Which one of the following shows a correct use of apparatus shown? So A, it is used to view distant objects. B, measures the density of substances. C, used to heat substances using a controlled amount of flame. And D, used to hold a thermometer when measuring temperature. So I'll just give you time from 5 seconds. You're correct. So C, used to heat substances using a controlled amount of flame. If you mentioned that one, then you're totally correct. Bunsen burner is used to heat substances using controlled amount of flame. So number 2, integrated science opens windows to many career pathways. Which one of the following career is not likely to require knowledge from it? A, medical. B, accounting. C, environmental scientist. D, nursing. So I'm just going to give you 5 seconds to answer. So if you said B, accounting, then you're totally correct. I also got it correct, and from question 1 to 2, there is nothing that I failed in this exam. It was easy peasy. As I said, this exam was completely easy. So number 3, sugar is dissolved in water to make a sweet drink. Which one of the following statements correctly identifies the solute, solvent, and solution? Sugar. A, sugar is the solvent. Water is the solute, and the drink is the solution. B, sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and drink is the solution. C, water is the solute, sugar is the solvent, and the drink is the solution. D, sugar and water are both solvents, and the drink is the solute. So I'm just going to give you time to answer. This was easy peasy. So I'm just going to give you 5 seconds starting from now. So you're right if you said B, which is sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and the drink is the solution. It was easy peasy. It's just a matter of thinking, understanding the question. Even if you haven't learned, just understand the grammar in. So number 4, elements are represented by unique symbols. Learners must be careful not to confuse the symbols with the names of other elements. Which one of the following symbol is correctly matched with the element it represents? A, Cr, chlorine. B, Mc, mercury. C, Ag, silver, and D, K, sodium. So this is about the periodic table. So if you really understand the periodic table, you're going to get it. So I'm just going to give you a second and then you answer the question, starting from now. Yeah, so if you said C, Ag, silver, you're correct. So let's go again to number 5. Number 5, it says, during an integrated science lesson on electron arrangement of elements, learners used manila paper to illustrate the atomic structure shown below. It's going to appear on screen. This atom is represented by this diagram. So A, sodium atom, C, hydrogen atom, B, chlorine atom, D, magnesium. So I'm just going to give you time to answer, and 5 seconds starts from now. So if you say B, chlorine atom, you're correct. Okay, so let's go to number 6. Number 6, it says, which statement correctly describes the arrangement of particles in solids, liquids, and gases? So A, solids far apart move randomly, liquids fixed, gases close together slide past each other. B, solids closely packed vibrate in fixed position, liquids close together move past one another, gases far apart move randomly. C, solids loosely arranged, liquids far apart move freely, gases fixed in place. D, solids far apart move freely, liquids fixed in place, gases slide past each other. So I'm just going to give you time to answer. So the answer is B, solids closely packed vibrate in fixed position, liquid close together move past one another, and gases far apart move randomly. Easy peasy. So the other question was not correct. It wasn't yet well arranged, but I'm just going to give you the question. So number 7, during cooking at home, a pan of cooking oil accidentally caught fire on the stove. Which class of fire does this represent? Class A, class A, and then B, class B, C, class C, D, class D. So each and every letter is representing its own class. So the correct answer is class K, which wasn't in the answer sheet. So that was the problem, and that's why I said that I won't read easy. And let's go to the other question. The other question it asks, it is at number 8, and it asks, during adolescence, boys and girls experience several physical changes. I, growth of pubic hair. I, Roman 2, hips broaden. Roman 3, development of pimples, acne. And Roman 4, deepening of the voice. Which of the following changes occur in both sexes? So A, Roman I and Roman 2, Roman 1 and Roman 2, B, Roman 2 and Roman 3, C, Roman 2 and Roman 4, D, Roman 1 and Roman 3. So if you say it, I'll give you time to answer. So starting from now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is D, Roman I. Roman 1 and Roman 3 are the ones which occur in both sexes. Roman 1 is growth of pubic hairs, and Roman 3 development of pimples, acne. So far there is nothing that I've wrong. And let's go to the next question, which I messed up, and I don't know how I didn't make it, but I think this was pretty easy. I don't know what came up to me. So let's go to number 9. Number 9. Study the diagram below showing the female reproductive system. So the diagram is going to show on screen. At which phase of menstrual cycle is being shown on the left side of the diagram? So A. Follicular phase, C. Lateral phase, B. Ovulation phase, D. Luteal phase. So the answer is B. Ovulation phase. I wrote follicular phase, which was pretty wrong, and yeah, I'll just do better next time. So the other thing is number 10. Which process depends directly on diffusion in living organisms? A. Oxygen moving from lungs into the blood. B. Glucose absorbed from the intestine into the blood using energy. C. Blood pumped from the heart to the body tissues. D. Water transported upward in plants through xylem vessels. So the answer is there, and I'm just going to give it time to answer. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you said A, oxygen moving from lungs into the blood, you're totally correct. So from all the 10 questions, I only went wrong with one, and that's I'm going to change it. And yeah, so then, and let me see you next time. Bye. Stay happy and stay strong.